Today, we will talk about from side hustle to full-time income. 10 online money-making ideas. Everyone could use a bit more money, right? Whether you're saving for a big purchase, planning a special event, or chipping away at those persistent student loans, extra cash always comes in handy. Your regular job covers the essentials, but there's room for more. That's where a side hustle from home steps in. It's a chance to earn more and enjoy the freedom of working on your terms. Below, we've combined a list of 24 best side hustles that you can pursue to make extra money. Whether you're looking to make passive income or build an emergency fund, there's a side hustle idea to fit every goal and lifestyle. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a simple way to sell products online. You partner with a third party who makes and ships the products for you. Your job is to create an online store, decide the prices, and advertise your business. This business is low risk because you only pay for products when customers buy them, giving you a good chance to make money as long as you don't spend too much on marketing. You can even sell on big sites like Amazon and eBay to get more customers. 2. Become a wholesaler. Launching a wholesale business can be a great side hustle that fits into your schedule. This involves buying products in bulk at a lower cost and selling them for a profit. The key is finding a balance that works with your routine. For instance, you can set aside specific times for different tasks, use evenings or weekends for researching products and making purchases, then dedicate a couple of hours each week for packing and shipping orders to your customers. Starting small and scaling up as you find your rhythm is the way to go. With some initial investment in good planning, running a wholesale business can become a profitable venture that aligns perfectly with your own schedule. 3. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding side hustle. With more than 2.5 billion users watching 1 billion hours of videos daily, the potential audience is massive. However, building a big enough audience to earn significant money from YouTube takes time. Focus on creating content your audience loves. As your follower count increases, think about earning through paid subscriptions, selling your own merch online, or partnering with brands for paid sponsorships. 4. Work as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing, where you promote a brand's product and earn commission on sales, definitely offers benefits as a side hustle. However, with Google increasingly sending searchers straight to e-commerce sites, standing out requires creativity. To be successful as an affiliate, think outside the box with your content. Instead of the usual pros and cons, why not tell a story, share personal experiences or customer stories that relate to the products? How about interactive content like quizzes or polls that recommend products based on answers? Or get visual with infographics that highlight unique product features or comparisons in an easy-to-digest format. 5. Open a print-on-demand business. If you love creating custom graphics and artwork, starting a print-on-demand (POD) business could be a perfect side hustle. With POD, you can put your designs on t-shirts, bags, phone cases, and mugs. The best part? You sell these under your own brand. This business model works similarly to drop shipping. You design the products, add them to your store, and handle promotions. The pod company, meanwhile, takes care of printing and shipping to customers. 6. Start blogging. Blogging lets you build a brand around things you love, like yoga, business, or cars. You'll reach people who enjoy the same things, and you can make money online through affiliate links or by promoting your own merch in your posts. Don't expect to earn right away, though. Many bloggers only start making good money after a few years. It's all about sticking with it. Begin by creating an account on Substack and publishing some thought-provoking content. As people start engaging with your posts, you'll get the opportunity to earn recurring subscriptions. 7. Sell information products. Information products are digital goods that provide knowledge or expertise on a specific subject. They come in various forms like ebooks, online courses, webinars, and instructional guides. Got a topic you know inside out or spotted a gap in information on a popular subject? Create content around these areas. You can write and publish books on Amazon or develop online courses to sell. The potential earnings from selling information products can vary. It depends on factors like your chosen niche and how effectively you market your products. However, it's possible to earn a few thousand each month. The key to success is creating a variety of content, then ebooks, courses, and more that continue to generate income over time. 8. Take up freelance gigs. Does your 9-to-5 job pay fluctuate? If you don't have a predictable income, you might choose to take up freelance gigs. With this side hustle, you could make anywhere from $50 to $22,000 a month, depending on your skills and the platform you use. For example, if you're looking to hit, say, an extra $1,000 a month, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your second income goal. 9. Become a virtual assistant. Businesses need help, and you can provide it as a virtual assistant. This role involves tasks like administration, social media marketing, bookkeeping, and more. With a growing number of companies seeking remote support, virtual assistants are in high demand. Getting started tip: you can find initial opportunities on platforms like Upwork. However, becoming an independent contractor may increase your earning potential. To expand your reach, consider joining Facebook groups aimed at businesses or online retailers and promote your services there. 10. Provide digital marketing services. Do you have skills in digital marketing? There's a huge demand for freelancers who can create content, manage social media, or optimize websites for online businesses. Start by advertising your services on gig or freelance websites. Set up a simple website showcasing your best work. This will help you attract more clients from different industries. You can also earn money by packaging your knowledge into an online course. Share what you know about digital marketing with people eager to learn. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and establish yourself as an expert in the field. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.